Popularity of baking. Baking is more than just a skill, it's a passion that combines excellence and perfection. Due to commercialization, baking turned from a household skill to a global phenomenon. If you have the desire to create mind-blowing desserts and a passion for baking, you can easily take baking as a profession. Skills to become a baking expert. As a baking expert, you should know certain baking techniques. You need practical knowledge of different bakery items, familiarity with baking ingredients and their uses, knowledge of various flavors and how to balance them, a sense of unique styles and designs towards baking items. Good managerial skills, if you want to work in restaurants or hotels. How you can earn as a professional baker? By associating with a restaurant or hotel, or start your own bakery startup. If you want to learn more about baking and culinary art and start your career as a professional baker or chef, then this is your chance. Join IBCA, India's #1 baking and culinary art school. For more details, contact us or visit